Magluluto ako ng upo for lunch. Lalagyan ko ng sardinas. Di kasi ako nakabili ng pork, pero sardinas okay na yan. Ayan na, tapos na ang ating ginisang upo with sardinas. Na yung pagkain ng mga bata.
Guys, we have vegetables. Oh, my mom made this overnight. So, I pick up this.
Yeah, what you doing? Oh, this.
Octopus. But
Olive.
that is good. There you go.
So good.
I'm sad it's because I'm late.
You're late for?
For school. It's because he doesn't want to make me up.
There's no school today, baby. It's Sunday. Tomorrow we have school, Monday.
Alright guys, so we're gonna eat. Mom, what is this called again? Mom,
Which one?
what's this called again?
Which one?
Yes,
Ginisang upo with salt.
we're gonna eat that. It's so good. Even though I took a bite of this.
You don't talk with your mom. Which one?
It's like a buddy. It's like.
Go for it. This? I'm gonna make. Did you finish that? Okay.
It's so good.
Okay, na eat.
I'm gonna get some more of this. Mom, please.
No, you need that. Your body needs that.
Guys, I may look red because I came out of the shower.